Hello, my name is Sean Penix, and these instructional videos are to be a guide for what a student may expect to learn while taking NOS 110 Operating System Concepts. The video today will cover the topic of operating system components, which are the overall facets that make an operating system functional. The learning objectives that will be covered include kernel, APIs, file system, user interface, device drivers, and hardware devices. An operating system is made up of 6 different components that all work together to make the CPU work, process, calculate, as well as make sense of what the user is asking it to do in general. So let us get started and begin and dive in. The first component is the kernel. The kernel is the central component of most operating systems. It is a bridge between applications and the actual data processing done at the hardware level. The kernel's responsibility include managing the system's resources, which is the communication between hardware and software components. The second component would be the API. API stands for Application Program Interface, though it is sometimes referred to as an Application Programming Interface. An API is a set of commands, functions, and protocols which programmers can use when building software for a specific operating system. Next, the third component will be the file system. The file system is used to control how data is stored and retrieved. Without a file system, information placed in the storage area would be one large body of data with no way to tell where one piece of information stops and the next begins. The fourth component is going to be the user interface. The user interface is everything designed into an information device with which a human being may interact, including display screen, keyboard, mouse, light pen, the appearance of a desktop, illuminated characters, and help messages. The fifth component is going to be the device drivers. Device drivers are programs that control a particular type of a device that is attached to your computer. There are device drivers for printers, displays, CD-ROM readers, diskette drives, and so on. The final and sixth component would be hardware devices. Hardware devices would be considered anything the user interacts with that is attached to the computer physically. This would include external hardware such as thumb drives, keyboards, printers, monitors, and even mouses. All of these components are what make up your operating system and allow users to be able to interact with their computer. To recap, we covered kernel, APIs, file system, user interface, device drivers, and hardware devices. That's it for this video. My name is Sean Penix, and I thank you for your time.